Mga ka-Simpol, sinasabi nila yung pinakamasarap na karne ay yung medyo malapit sa mga buto kasi medyo dun ang pinaka-linamnam at lasa niya. Kaya isa sa paborito nating ulam ay yung spare ribs or yung baby back ribs or yung spare ribs o mga ganong klaseng mga putahe. Kaya ngayong araw na to, gagawa tayo ng medyo kakaibang dish, ang sweet sticky pork spare ribs. Tara, magluto tayo.
Simpol, luto na.
So gagamit tayo ng pork spare ribs. So we cut it into individual pieces. Yan. So what do we do first? First, we marinate it. So siguraduhin natin ma-marinate siya for two reasons. One, para manuot yung lasa. Pag kinain mo, hindi lang yung labas may lasa, pati yung meat niya, very malinamnam. And secondly also, to help it tenderize. So mas mabilis yung cooking time natin because we marinated it earlier. So what do? We marinate with a little soy sauce, clear soda. Any brand will do. So ito will help tenderize the pork. A little bit of banana ketchup and brown sugar. So we marinate it at least 1 hour or overnight. So sigurado tayo na sobrang nanunuot na yung lasa niya at it will help us cook the spare ribs faster. Yeah. And now we're going to make the glaze, our braising liquid, which will also become our glaze. So may konti tayong sesame oil, just a little bit of oil, and we just heat up our aromatics. Anong meron tayo? Meron tayong star anise to give it a sweet aroma. We saute that until it becomes very aromatic. Then, kasi nga spicy siya, we just put a little bit of siling haba, green chilies, and siling labuyo. So, this one's optional. Depends on how spicy you want. So, hindi ko ubusin yung chilies para hindi kayo ma-overwhelm sa anghangan. So, we're sauteing our aromatics. Now, we add our marinated pork ribs. Ayan. We add our pork ribs and we let it simmer. So, yung ginagawa natin, sinasangkot siya natin yung pork. So, ibig sabihin, pinaparcook natin siya hanggang dumambot. We add a little bit of vinegar kasi kung puro siya tamis, medyo nakakaumay. So we have to put a little bit of acid, Put a little bit of acid in the form of vinegar. Then we add sugar para mag-thicken siya and soy sauce. A little bit more soy sauce. Not too much para hindi naman siya umalat. And for more flavor, konting patis. So, ang patis magdadagdag ng dinamnam. So, it's a combination of patis and soy sauce, but only to glaze. So, we keep it again in the simmering pot until it thickens. So, our pork is from Fresh Options. Mas mabilis siyang palambutin kasi very good quality ang kanilang pork. Ito na siya, it's done. Very nice glaze. And, piplate lang natin. Lalagyan na natin siya sa isang plate. Ribs. Very nice sticky pork ribs. And now, we just sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds. Sweet sticky pork ribs. Simple! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga ka-Simpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.